Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Miss Jamaica World Pageant kicked things into gear on Sunday at the official sashing event of the 2019 finalists. The event, held at the Pegasus Ballroom in Kingston, saw 16 beautiful ladies who will be vying for the coveted title of Miss Jamaica World 2019 strutting their stuff before a supportive crowd. The sashing event, in addition to revealing who the competition sponsors will be, also served as the official introduction of this year's contestants. It was also a platform for the organizers to reveal plans for this year's staging of the event. Added to this year's competition are new sectional prizes. The ladies will be able to compete for the most improved and best personality titles.
They are really lovely ladies. They're very enthused, very excited, and we're looking forward to it as much as they're looking forward to it.
Apart from the physical beauty, one of the things that Miss World itself has been stressing is beauty with a purpose. So we're going to be looking for ladies that make a difference in their communities. And I was very happy that among this group, there are people from St. Thomas, St. Mary, and all parts of Jamaica, because we feel if you're choosing a Miss Jamaica, it should represent most of the nation.
The 16 beauties will head into training before competing in the Beauty with a Purpose, Talent, Fitness, Top Model and Beauty Fast Track events. The Interlink People's Choice competition returns this year, giving the wider public an opportunity to vote for their favorite contestant. Voting can be accessed through the official Miss Jamaica World website, that is MissJamaicaWorld.com. Votes are eliminated to 15 per IP address daily. The Miss Jamaica World 2019 Grand Coronation Spectacular will take place on September 21 at the ballroom of the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, the official home of Miss Jamaica World. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission (JCDC) hosted the finals of its 2019 Festival Song Competition on the grounds of the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center on Saturday night. The event featured 11 finalists delivering their best performances to the panel of judges in hopes of winning the coveted title and to have their song become the soundtrack of the Jamaica 57 activities. As the evening closed, St. Ann native Ratlin Loaded Eagle Dyer was named the 2019 Jamaica Festival Song winner with his song Big Up Jamaica. In addition to winning the competition and $1 million in cash, Dyer took home a handful of other awards, including the award for writer of the winning song, which carried its own $1 million cash prize, and sectional prizes for best performance and best vocalist, which carry cash prizes of $300,000 each. Second place was awarded to Ali Bless with her song Queen Jamaica. She walked away with a cash award of $400,000, while third place and its respective cash award of $250,000 went to Jay Smith for his song Embassy Appointment. Jay Smith also won himself a sectional award for most popular on social media. The night ended with a special guest performance from the former winner, Nazaman, as well as a performance from dancehall DJ Bounty Killer. The Jamaica Festival Song Competition is a signature program that was started back in 1966 and continues to unearth and highlight Jamaican musical talent. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.